Your body has been giving you signals. It's time to listen. Welcome to Senior Thinking, where we share simple, practical guidance to help you stay strong, steady, and confident as you age. If you're over 60 and notice leg swelling after short walks, stiff knees in the morning, or a strange tingling feeling in your calves, this isn't just normal aging. It's your body asking for attention. By the age of 60, the body can lose up to 70 to 75% of its collagen. Collagen is the internal framework that supports your joints, muscles, blood vessels, and skin. When collagen levels drop, stability disappears. Joints lose cushioning, legs feel heavy, balance becomes weaker, and pain appears without warning. This isn't only wear and tear. In many cases, the real problem is that your body no longer has the raw materials it needs to repair itself. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments. There are simple, natural foods that help your body rebuild collagen on its own. 4 natural foods that support collagen after 60. Number 1. Unflavored gelatin. Gelatin is essentially pre-digested collagen, making it easy to absorb, especially for older adults with slower digestion. It provides key amino acids like glycine and proline, which help reduce joint stiffness, support muscle tone, and improve balance. Best use: mix into warm tea, bone broth, or lemon water on an empty stomach. 2. Bone marrow. Bone marrow deeply nourishes joints and connective tissue. It contains multiple collagen types and natural joint lubricants that help reduce swelling and improve flexibility. Best use: roasted marrow bones or slow-cooked bone broth. 3. Liver in small amounts. Liver doesn't provide collagen directly, but it supplies essential nutrients needed to build it, including vitamin A, zinc, copper, and glycine. These nutrients help collagen fibers form correctly, improving skin strength, joint stability, and circulation. Best use: 1 to 2 ounces per week, mixed into ground meat or stews. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is often called liquid collagen. It delivers gelatin, collagen, glucosamine, and other compounds that cushion joints, improve circulation, and reduce leg cramps. Best use: half to 1 cup daily, preferably homemade and slow simmered. Simple daily routine: morning, bone broth on an empty stomach. A few days a week, gelatin in a warm drink. Once or twice weekly, bone marrow. Once weekly, small amount of liver. Consistency matters more than quantity. Within a few weeks, many people notice less stiffness, lighter legs, improved balance, and more confidence while walking. Aging doesn't mean constant decline. Sometimes your body just needs the right support to rebuild. You are not broken. You are rebuilding, one small choice at a time. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Senior Thinking, and share it with someone who may need this information. Down below, let us know in the comments, which change will you start with today? This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or health routine.